Hey there! Want to create a professional form in WordPress and send a confirmation code to users without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you how to build a form, activate confirmation codes, and publish it on your site using Easy Form Builder, all in just a few minutes. Create a new form. Log into your WordPress dashboard. From the menu, go to Easy Form Builder and click Create. This opens the Form Builder interface. Choose a form template. Now choose a form type. Let's go with the Contact Us form for this tutorial, but you can select any other template. Edit and save the form. Go to Form Settings and enable the option Activate Confirmation Code. By default, this setting is already active, but it's good to double-check. Copy the shortcode and publish. After saving the form, you'll see a shortcode like this. Copy this code. Go to any page or post and paste it inside a shortcode block. Click Publish, and your form is now live.
If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.